Hello, Billy the Artist here, back with a little overview video of some of my how to draw lessons. Now again, before we go any further, please do like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when new how to draw lessons will be becoming available, because I've got lots planned and there's lots to come. And in the last few weeks we have done lots of videos, lots of portraits, but these are on the Harry Potter playlist, so do check out the link in the cards and in the banner you'll see, and it's in the description as well, for the Harry Potter playlist and these videos. So just using simple felt tip pens, but getting the outline down first with pencil, I have done the Hogwarts house badges. And again, you can do these and then you can colour them in if you want, or you can just do them black and white. So we have done Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. Now again, in the cards is the link to the full real-time how to draw lessons for each of these videos. Again, I just use very simple basic shapes. In the description there is the link to how to draw anything part 1, and that shows you using shapes, and it's helped so many people to break drawing down into simple forms so that you can draw anything you want. In that video I say you can draw anything from a bird, a bee, a flea, a tree, a horse, a house, or anything else. And that's the absolute joy of encouraging you all with your drawings. So anyway, do check these out. Do check out all the other lessons in the Harry Potter videos, because there's the portraits of Harry, Ron, Hermione. There's the 3 Dumbledores. So we've got Jude Law in Fantastic Beasts. We have Richard Harris and Michael Gambon in the Harry Potter movies. There's Voldemort there. There's Snape, Malfoy, and lots of others. Hagrid, Bellatrix and Sirius Black, and just lots on there. And there's going to be more content for the Harry Potter. So anyway, thank you very much for your time. Do take care, enjoy your drawing, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da.